In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to build a multi-page website in Wix, including setting up your navigation, customizing your footer, and getting your basic SEO in place. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've only ever built single-page sites or simple landing pages, this is going to show you how to turn your Wix site into a complete and organized website. We're going to look at how to organize pages, how to make sure visitors can move around your site easily, and how to set up the core SEO settings so search engines understand what your pages are about. Let's get into it. So quickly before we get into it, let's talk about what Wix actually is. Wix is a cloud-based website builder designed so you can create a professional looking site without touching any code. You start with a template and then use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, buttons, and apps. Hosting is also included, so you don't have to manage servers or install any software. You can even start building your whole site on a free Wix subdomain to test things out, and then go ahead and upgrade to a premium plan when you're ready for a custom domain and more features. But for this tutorial, the main thing you need to know is that Wix lets you create multiple pages, connect them with menus, and manage your site structure and SEO from one dashboard. So what you're going to go ahead and do first is, if you don't already have a Wix account, we do have a link down in the description below so you can get set up with your free account and follow along with me on the tutorial. So once you click the link below, you'll go ahead and enter in your email address, and then it will prompt you to create a password. You don't even have to put in your credit card information at all. Once you are logged in, it'll look like this, and we'll go ahead and click create new site. So you can start with the chat, or you can set up without the chat. For this demo, I'm going to set up without the chat just because the wording doesn't necessarily matter as much as how the website builder works. But we'll just answer these quick few questions. So maybe we are going to create a online website that sells one-to-one nutrition coaching and fitness coaching, or both together. Okay, continue. So then they'll actually give us suggestions if you don't know what your business is going to be called. Maybe we'll go with Elevate Wellness. Love it. What are your goals? So drive coaching sales, build a healthy community, increase brand awareness, and drive online bookings maybe. Okay, so now we can go ahead and select which apps we want. So if we want the memberships with the pricing plans, maybe a blog. If you want to sell products, you can add that. If you have a portfolio or maybe a digital course, maybe we want to add that. You know, obviously these don't necessarily align, but if you want to sell tickets or events, you can do that too. So now what we're actually going to do first is design our site, and then we can come back to this. Okay, let's pick a template. I find that to work a bit better because you know kind of what the layout's going to be. So what's cool about Wix is, since we typed in very minimal amount of information, it actually populates a couple of good templates for us. So we've got this one. That looks good. There's honestly so many in here. And if you don't see one that you like, you can search here. They have a bunch of different templates. I also always recommend, don't pay so much attention to the fonts and the colors. It's really about the layout, how the site works, because the colors and fonts are very, very easy to change. Wix makes it super simple. So you really want to make sure the layout, how the actual website functions, is more aligned. Ooh, I like this. Okay, cool. You can even see what it looks like on the phone as well. We'll go ahead and edit this site. Now, since we checked the bookings, it's going to add the app of Wix bookings, and it'll add any other apps that we selected. Now, again, it's creating text for our site as well. So if we would have put in more details, it would have more information and actually populate this to be more along the lines of what you need. But I always recommend making sure that you go back. The AI is just a starting point. You want to make it your brand voice, your own, so you really are connecting with your audience and your potential clients and future clients in a way that really embodies who you are. Okay, so we've got Elevate Your Health. Welcome to Elevate Wellness. We offer personalized one-to-one nutrition coaching and fitness coaching. Okay, amazing. Okay, so it already has given us a homepage. It's also given us an about page that you can go ahead, and it's got a services page. So of course you can edit all of this. You've also got a contact page as well. You can add a form in here pretty easily. Privacy policy, you know, book online, and then your blog if you want as well. So we've got all of the pages that we need in here within a few clicks of a button. So we're going to go back to the home page. Now, as you can see, this menu is up right here, and it's a hamburger menu. Okay, so now we'll click edit menu. So that means that that this is going to pop up once you click that. This is not at the top of the screen. Again, that hamburger menu means that as soon as you click it, it essentially expands. So now to manage the menu, over here, this is where everything lives. If you wanted the privacy policy on there, you could unhide it. If you want to turn the privacy policy on or off, you can go ahead and select that right here. If you wanted to move things around, you can just drag it over. If you want to change the design, you can change the fill color, you can change the shadows, you can change the opacity, you can change any of this. You can even have an animation if you want. You can change the layout if you would like. So again, they make it super, super simple to do this. Another thing I wanted to show you, okay, we'll go ahead and go back to the home. And just so you see what that looks like, preview, when you click the menu, that's what it pops up as. If you want to edit the footer, you'll just go ahead and click quick edit, and then you can change the column background, any of the wording down here, and you can even add your social links. So again, they make it really, really easy to edit all of this. Another thing I wanted to mention is for site design. So if you don't like this theme, you can customize it completely to be whatever you want, but they have a bunch of themes as well. So if you want more of, modern look, you can also go a little bit more subtle and refined. You can go a little bit of deeper colors, but honestly, this theme looks fire. I don't think we should change it, but just know that you can come in here and change all of the colors and all of the fonts. And again, they have themes, but you also can come in here and put in the hex code as well. So you can completely customize it. If you're like, I like this green, but I don't like this green, I want to adjust it slightly, you can totally do that. Same with the text. You can completely customize it if you like Playfair Display. This is one of my favorite fonts. You can go ahead and select all of the headings to be changed. Maybe what's my other favorite font? Montserrat. I don't know how to say it, but okay. So you can go ahead and do that as well. You also can even upload fonts if they don't have one on here, but honestly, they have so many on here. It makes it nice to just have everything conveniently in here already. Okay, they've got a bunch of other things. So if you don't like the way something is laid out, so maybe you want to add an element, if you want to add a heading specifically, you just literally drag it over. You don't have to put it in alignment, like you can put it anywhere. So it's kind of like Canva where you can just drag everything around. If you want to delete it, you can just click delete. They also have sections. So if you wanted to add, an about section, if you wanted to drag this into the about section, see how they already have the colors matched as well. If you wanted to add a team section, you can also do that and drag it in. A services section. So again, they make it so easy to just drag everything over and check it out. So another thing I wanted to mention too is if you need to change anything on mobile, you can do that. So essentially, when you change the mobile, the desktop does not change. But when you change things on the mobile, or you can even hide sections, it doesn't affect the desktop version, which is really, really nice. So if you wanted to hide the FAQs, I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you can hide that section from mobile. Okay, now in terms of SEO, that's what I wanted to talk about next. Okay, we'll save this. We'll go to the homepage. Okay, so now again, Wix makes it so easy. They kind of walk you through exactly what next steps are. So if you want to connect a custom domain, you can go ahead and do that. You do have to be on an upgraded plan though. If you want a business email, you could just click here, finish setting up all of your services, your working hours, your payment methods, and then get found on Google, which this is what I wanted to quickly talk about as well. They even have an SEO checklist. If you just come over here to website and SEO, click SEO, we'll go ahead and start the setup checklist. So we'll click get started. Just again, they'll walk you through everything. This is worldwide e-commerce, and then you can add in some keywords. You can even have them give you keyword ideas. Okay, so again, it's taking you through every single piece. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and set the homepage title for search results. And it tells you why it's important. So a clear and concise title can help explain what the site has to offer and can bring more traffic to the site. If you want to do something else, you also can do that. So we'll go ahead and click apply, and then we'll want to add the homepage description for search results. So you can go ahead and add in there. And then as soon as that's done, it'll check it off. Again, you're going to go through every single step. So add text to homepage, which we've done. Allow indexing to make your homepage visible. So you'll literally just turn it on, click apply. So again, they walk you through step by step for the SEO. So you don't have to guess what should I do. They tell you exactly what to do in the exact order. Okay. Also, one of the checkboxes is connecting to a custom domain. Why this is important? Because it just increases the chances of ranking higher in search results and strengthens its brand, okay? So you can connect your brand or you can connect your domain, but again, you do have to be on that upgraded plan, okay? So that covers everything for the tutorial. Now that we're talking about the plans, I just wanted to quickly run through what the different options are. So they've got a couple of different options here right now. They've got Light, Core, Business, and Business Elite. Right now on these three plans, the Core, Business, and Business Elite, you actually can save 50% off, but this isn't going to last forever. One thing I want to mention to you is they do have a 14-day money back guarantee. So if you aren't loving it within that 14 days, you can get your money back. So first we've got the Light plan, which is their smallest plan, the least amount of collaborators, the least amount of storage space, and then their Light marketing suite. Then we've got the Core plan, which is $14.50 per month, and that is with that 50% off. And this, you get 5 collaborators, more storage, the basic marketing suite, which is still upgraded from the Light marketing suite. And then this one, you can accept payments and basic e-commerce. So just note that that's a big difference between the Light and the Core. And honestly, the Core is 50% off right now, so it's cheaper than the Light plan at this very moment. Okay, then we got the Business plan, which is $19.50 per month, and that is with that 50% off. You get more collaborators, more storage, upgraded marketing suite, and upgraded e-commerce functionality as well. And then lastly is the Business Elite plan, which is $79.50 per month. With this, you get 100 collaborators, unlimited storage space, and then you get the advanced marketing suite, advanced e-commerce, and the advanced developer platform. So again, you can always grow with Wix, which is really cool. You could start with the Light plan, and then once you realize, actually, I don't want to accept payments, boom, onto the Core plan, upgrade, and so on and so forth. So again, it's really great because Wix is one of the best beginner-friendly tools I've seen, and I've tried every website builder out there. So it really is just so easy, and they walk you through everything, including SEO, which is so powerful. So choose a plan that best fits your needs, but you can literally build your whole entire website off of the free plan and then upgrade when you want a custom domain. So is a multi-page Wix site for you? It makes the most sense if you have several different things you need to explain or showcase, and you want each one to have its own space. If you offer multiple services, share blog posts, or need separate pages for things like portfolios, FAQs, and contact details, a multi-page structure gives you the flexibility to grow without everything feeling crammed into a single screen. If your business is very simple and you only have one main action you want people to take, like filling out a form or booking a call, a clean one-page layout might be just enough. But as soon as you feel like you're trying to squeeze too much into one page, or you catch yourself wishing you could send people to a page just for this, that's usually a sign that moving to a multi-page setup in Wix is the right next step. Designing a site that grows with your business does not have to be complicated. Once you know how to add pages, organize your navigation, and set up a consistent footer and basic SEO, you've got pretty much a whole working website, and it can keep evolving as you do. If you're ready to start building your multi-page Wix site, that link is down in the description below, and you can get signed up with the free plan. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your very first website with simple tools and very easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.